Students, good morning. My heart overflows with pride and joy that I stand before you today to celebrate the achievements of our children of Aided Angel School, a place devoted to nurturing and supporting children with special needs. This moment is a testament to their hard work, resilience, and steadfast support of our families and educator. As a remarkable mother of 13-year-old boy Mark, who has been honored as the Student of the Year for his significant improvement in the special education class, I am humbled to share with you our journey. During my pregnancy, I was filled with excitement and gratitude, taking every step to ensure a healthy journey. And when time came for a gender reveal, I've learned I am having a baby boy instead of a girl I am initially hoped for. Though there was a bit of disappointment, it quickly turned into a happiness as I embraced a dream of being a mother. Dream of prestigious schools, basketball games, and other endless possibilities. However, life have different plans for us. When Mark was diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, it was a very challenging moment. I even questioned God why this happened. Feeling with mixed emotions and wondering if I have done something wrong. But deep down, I knew I have always strived for the betterment of my family. Then I realized that God has a unique purpose for me, to grow more responsible and loving mother. Their journey of parenthood has been one of the sacrifices and struggles filled with sleepless nights, moments of heartbreak, and countless doubts. Parents of children with special needs often faces battles that are invisible to others. Battles that test their perseverance, patience, and resolve. As the quote says, the strongest people are not those people who show strength in front of us, but those who wins battles without us knowing about. This speaks to the silent, everyday efforts of parents who have dedicated themselves to their children's growth and well-being. Behind every children's progress and success is a parent who fought unseen battles, driven by love and unwavering hope. Mark faced difficulties in communicating, and for a long time, he did not speak. And there were times I felt overwhelmed and unsure on how to help my awesome son. But as Mark grew, the tantrums began to subside. He began following instructions and became less hyperactive. Each small step forward was a victory, and his progress has been nothing short of remarkable. His accomplishment of Aid of Angel School had been a beacon of hope. Reflecting the support and guidance essential for our children's growth, Mark is a loving brother to his two younger sisters, Iya and Fida, and he is protective of them. His caring nature shines through in all he does, making him a wonderful son and a role model in our family. Today, as we mark the end of school year 2024-2025 and celebrate Recognition Day, I want to express my deepest gratitude to the teachers, staff, and everyone at Aid of Angels School. Your dedication has made a profound impact in our children's lives. You have nurtured their potentials, encouraged their growth, and believed in their abilities. This journey wouldn't have been possible without the love and support of our entire family. A heartfelt thanks to my husband, Paco, for being my rock and my strength. And to his two sisters, Iya and Fida, thank you girls for your encouragement and for being Kuya Mark's biggest cheerleaders. Special thanks to Teacher Asia for your guidance. Is a grateful influence to my son's life. To Ma'am Sel, thank you so much for comforting Mark and for being there for him when he needed it most. To Dr. Marquita Lagta and Miss Nanit Custodio, thank you for establishing this remarkable institution dedicating to support children with special needs. To my son Mark, Mommy is so proud of you, anak. Your determination, courage, and hard work have earned you this award. You have shown that resilience and love can conquer even the toughest challenge. Your journey and triumphs are reflections of not just your strength, but the strength of everyone who stood by you. To all the students and parents being recognized today, remember that each of one of you is unique. Your journey may be different, but it's filled with endless potential. Embrace your strength, continue to work hard, and never stop believing in yourself. As we close this chapter and look forward to the new beginnings, let us carry forward the lesson we've learned and the memories we've shared. Let us continue to support each other and knowing that together we can overcome any challenge. Thank you and congratulations to all the students for another year of achievements and accomplishment. May your future be brighter and full of success.
Nakapagpunas na ba ng luha ang lahat?